Okay, figure C, we have another trapezoid, but what's sort of interesting about this one is we don't have any right angles. So I'm going to create some right angles by making some rectangles. And right off the bat, I can see my rectangle that's in the middle. It almost looks like a square, but it's actually a 1, 2, 3, and then I've got 3.5 up. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These two together make 10, and this one is a half, which means the center area is 10.5. Now I need to now add that to my triangles, but I noticed something was that this triangle and this triangle were exactly the same size. So why I thought that was important was I could find the area of this full rectangle and then cut it in half, and then find the area of this full rectangle and cut it in half. But since these are both exactly the same size, what I decided I want to do is I'm going to take this side here and imagine that I flipped it upside down and backwards. So that way, now if I move this green one here, if I find the area of this triangle and this triangle, which make a rectangle, I'm not going to have to cut anything in half, and I like that. So now I can find the area is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Oops. Okay, so now that I know the area of this rectangle is 10.5, and the area of this triangle and this triangle together is 7, that means I can add them together to get the area of figure C. So 10 plus 7 is 17, plus that half centimeter squares.